Okay, so we've got a question here about marbles. What we must remember is that when we're working out probabilities, the probability, total probability, has to equal 1. In other words, every marble in the bag, we just check the question, has to be red or blue or green or yellow. So the probability of getting one of those colours must be 1 in total. So if these probabilities add up to 0.4, as you can see, yellow must be 0.6 because 0.4 plus 0.6 is 1. Okay, that's really quite easy. Okay, it now says what's the probability that the marble is blue or green? Well, we can see from the table blue and green 0.2 and 0.1. The probability, whenever we see the word or, it means add the probabilities. So we do 0.2 plus 0.1 is going to give us 0.3. Okay, right, the probability that the marble is made of glass is 0.8. Okay, usually, as I've just said, if we have probabilities and the situation is or, we will add the probabilities, but there is an exception to that rule. If it's possible that you can have a marble, in this case, which is made of glass and green at the same time, then you can't just add the probabilities. And we call events that can't both happen at the same time mutually exclusive. Now, in this case, a marble could be glass and it could be green, but there's a strong possibility that a marble could be both green and made of glass. So in other words, being green and being made of glass don't rule each other out. So I would say here, is Beryl right? Probably not. She could be if there were no green glass marbles. But the reason for that is, I would say, something along the lines of being green and being made of glass, being glass, are not mutually exclusive. Okay, are not mutually exclusive. And the reason, another way of explaining that would be to say that a marble could be, okay, a marble could be both green and made of glass, both green and glass, in which case there's an overlap between those two criteria, if you like.